Hello everyone, welcome today, good afternoon. Today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, November the 14th, 2023, we have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the killer Sudoku, and we have also a binary puzzle, 12 by 12, this one. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have also two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. They also call this kind of puzzles jigsaw Sudokus. And we have the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. A total of 7 extra puzzles, half of them, 4 of them I will solve those in the evening. What's the news of today? Well, here the government in the Netherlands will educate Ukraine pilots, for the F-16 training center here. Not here, but in Romania, the Dutch government will support them. Alright, enough about the war. The first puzzle is the binary puzzle. Come on. Let me position the camera. This will be number 7444. Whoa. Oh, 7444. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 38 printed digits, and I've told you it's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 O's and 6 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 And now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Wow. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. And let me see. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Between 2 1's comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. And now, let me see, between 2 O's comes an 1, double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have here 5 O's. If we place number 6 there, then we have 4 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1's. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1's. and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, so that's the O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. This box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1, between two 1's comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. And a no. Make 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1s. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. 2, 3, 4, 5. Between two 1's comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, and sixth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. This, I think we need to compare. We need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Almost the same with the first row. Well. 11. Still thinking. Double 1 is not 101. 101. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Think. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 11. Come on, come on, come on. You have a double 1 here, no? About here is double 1. Almost the same. Not the same. About here, double O. No. Oh, 10. Having troubles. Ay. Do we have 11, 01? Yeah, 01. Almost the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. No. This is not the same here. Overlook something. Come on. 12 minutes already passed. Still searching. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5 ones in the second row. If I place number 6 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. If I place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th one here, then we still have 3 O's in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Yeah. 1, double 1. Not the same here. 100. Come on. 001. 001. Double O. This column and that column, let me compare. 1 empty box 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. And double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double 1 here, no there, no. Finished in 14 minutes. Well. 1, yeah, you need to compare 1 time, yeah, and Well, could be faster, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.